Hello everyone and greetings from AWS User Group Jaipur. So I'm back with another video. Today in this video you will learn how you can enter into the Learn and Implement contest. So here is the contest. In this video you will be learning about how you can build a Docker container on top of the AWS EC2 instance. So let's get started. For this, to complete this, you can follow this blog. So first step is you need to launch EC2 instance. For that, you should have an account on AWS. If you don't have account on AWS, just create an account on AWS and go to AWS Management Console. Click on Management Console, and you need to make a EC2 instance. Just scroll down a little bit and click on Launch Instance. And select this Amazon Linux AMI. Let it be by default everything as it is, but for the security and configuration, configure security group, add one more rule for HTTP and select here from anywhere, and you can select anywhere here as well, and click on review and launch, and then launch. Here you need to select a key pair. So let me create a new key pair and I'm naming it as AWS. Okay, let me name it as OS Tech Conf and download key pair. So I'm downloading here in desktop. And then click on launch instance. It will take up some time for this instance to be ready. So let's wait. Now it's ready. It will take approx 3 to 5 minutes for this instance to be ready. So just click on this and connect. Click on connect. And from here you can take the SSH command. Just copy this command and go to your command prompt and move on to that directory where you have downloaded the PEM file and paste that SSH command over here, and it will ask you to exchange you just type in yes, and now you are there in the Amazon AMI. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to just switch user. For that, just type su. Now you need to update the packages. For that, just type yum update with the tag -y to update the packages. Now you need to install the Docker and Git in this. So just copy this command and paste it over here. This will install the Docker and Git in this AMI. Now you need to start the Docker and you just need to copy this command and you need to enable for some reason. Let's say you reboot your instance, it will again enable the start the Docker service. Now you need to clone this repository, and you can see this is OS Tech Conference over here. Just change the directory, and what you need to do is just copy this command and just change from here AWS, just type your name and Now you need to build your Docker file. Make sure you are there in this directory only, learn and implement. This will build that Docker file which is present over here in this directory. And the last step is you need to run this Docker container, and this is now done. What you need to do now is just go to this and click on your instance, copy this public DNS and paste it in a new browser. And as you can see, this is coming over here, Priyanka Prasad attending OS Tech Conference, and just take a screenshot of this. Make sure this link is visible in your screenshot and flaunt it there on Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. And do not forget to tag us #AWS Jaipur. And this is how you can complete the contest, learn and implement. I hope you got the clear understanding about this contest. That's it for this video.